God, I cannot stand my sister. Amy, please help me find some crystals to help her.
What's wrong with her?
She's so rude. Every time I have a bad day, she'll make sure to make it worse. She'll just say, "It serves you right. You should have listened to me."
Is she by chance Sagittarius?
Yes.
A Sagittarius can come across as rude and ill-mannered, and the reason for that is they prioritize the rational over the emotional, even to an unhealthy balance sometimes. So to solve the problem of rational over emotional, I would highly suggest orange calcite.
Oh, really? You know what? I'll have all the orange calcite you've got.
Okay.
Wow.
Do you suppose that's enough?
I think this sphere would be enough. Do you have any more stones, perhaps, for a Sagittarius?
For the adventurous Sagittarius, a perfect match is green adventurine. This will act as a lucky charm for anything new that comes to the Sagittarius life. Obsidian will help balance personal and social life. Their personal growth won't be affected by their very active social life. And since they're prone to make people mad, obsidian will help keep them safe.
Thank you, Amy. I can't wait to take this orange calcite sphere to my sister. I hope it helps.
And don't forget, follow Crescent Cast USA for more crystal tips.